Hello everyone! In this class, we are going to learn about the 5 different types of chemical reactions. First, we have synthesis, decomposition, combustion, single replacement, and double replacement. We usually use chemical equations to represent these types better, but today I'm going to represent to you if chemical reactions were sandwiches. First up in the menu is synthesis. In science, to synthesis means to make. So basically, two substances combine and form a compound. So synthesis is just like making things, like a sandwich. For this video, let's say that the bread is just like a beaker. First, we have a bread with some peanut butter on it, and here we have some jelly. And wait for it, it's the peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Wow, who would have guessed? So basically, any two elements combine with each other to make a single product is a synthesis reaction. For example, we have zinc plus iodide react to each other to form zinc iodide. That's a synthesis reaction. So let's take a look at this reaction. Next up is decomposition reaction, which is pretty just like the opposite of synthesis. We have a compound and the reactant, and we have two more substances in the product. So let's say you have a sandwich which will have tomatoes and turkey in it, but then you decided to just eat the turkey and tomatoes alone without the bread. So in the product you have turkey and tomatoes together. So let's take a look at decomposition reaction. So here we have the CuCO3 . And here we have lime water. So basically, CuCO3 is the reactant, and just wait so I could show you the product. We have CuCO3 in the reactant, and in the product we have CuO plus CO2. Next up is combustion. Combustion, substance combines with oxygen and releases energy. And this reaction is the one that doesn't really work with sandwiches. The combustion reaction is usually when a hydrocarbon combine with oxygen to release carbon dioxide and water. Or it just can be another element of a compound burning. Let's take a look. So let's take a look at this video to understand more. So right there, that was me. I was burning the methane that was trapped under the ice. So that methane is turning into carbon dioxide and water. The second to last reaction is known as single replacement. And for this one, we are back to the sandwiches. Let's say you have a sandwich with some turkey and cheese in it, but then you saw lettuce, and you like lettuce better, and you're also a little bit ungrateful, so you decided to switch up your cheese with your lettuce. So let's say instead of the option of lettuce, you saw tomatoes instead, and you don't like tomatoes. If you like the cheese better, so it just makes no sense to switch up the tomatoes with the cheese. It's just kind of like how an activity series works, but that's just a lesson for another video that I'm not gonna make. Alright, the last type of reaction we're covering is double replacement. And it's pretty but exciting since this time we're talking about two sandwiches. Let's say you and your friend both have a sandwich. You have turkey and cheese on yours, and your friend has peanut butter and jelly on his. So you both decided to swap the ingredients up. So you have turkey and jelly, and the other one have peanut butter and cheese. And both of you have your sandwich. I guess it's just pretty boring ending, so let's just finish this up by watching the pretty sparkles again. Wow! And thanks for watching.